What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Got my hair cut, got my beard trim. How am I looking? Like Johnny Bravo. Epic show, epic show. We're gonna go over our friend Polygon. Good morning from Canada. Hope you all are doing well. Currently we're sitting at 88 cents, up 3.2 on the day. Sitting at market cap of 7.6 billion. 24-hour volume is starting to increase up to 460 million. So we'll jump into the charts. Big shout out to BitGet, where you can earn up to $8,000 in bonuses. No VPN required for all my US traders looking for an exchange. And if you email me your sign up email after you make your first deposit, I will give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the daily time frame. So we are starting to break out of this falling wedge bull pennant pattern. Now what I want to show you guys here is we're about to have the bullish cross of the daily EMAs, the 20 EMA over top of the 55. As you can see, we did have the bullish cross right here, but it didn't really play out. We had the bearish cross once again, but we can give some examples. So here's an example right here. We had the bullish cross that fell back below again, but once we had the bullish cross for a second time, we did absolutely explode to the upside for a total of 127%. Now if I go back on it earlier, let's do Matic USD. And we'll try Kraken. We'll go back on an earlier chart for Matic. Finance US chart. So if you look here, when we had the bullish cross of the daily EMAs, let me open this up a little bit. We had the bullish cross, we consolidated, and then we absolutely exploded to the upside. Now there are no guarantees that it will happen again. Just gonna quickly switch back to the chart I had open here. So as I mentioned, there are no guarantees that it will happen again, but it is usually a strong indicator if we can hold the EMAs that you will see continuation to the upside. But of course you need Bitcoin to cooperate, so we'll have to see how it plays out, but definitely one of the strongest moving coins. Most of my coins on my list on the right here on my watch list are in the top 100, and Matic has definitely been a top mover. So if we pop over to our next chart, which is here on the 4-hour time frame, we still do have a bearish wave count. What I'd be looking at here is that you went through a WXYXZ correction into a 2, but once we start to break above the 0.786 at 88 cents, that does become more unlikely. Wave 1 can retrace up to 99% of wave 2. Wave 2 can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, so any break above 94 cents would invalidate that pattern. If that were to play out, then you would get rejected here and come down in a wave 3, but Matic is looking strong at the moment. So we do have a bullish wave count that we put in an ABC correction into a very shallow wave 2 pullback, and now you're going to push up in a massive 3 that has a target like all the way up at like $4. But the smaller wave count that I'd be looking at here is that you push up a 1 into a 2, and you're looking to push up in a 3 to about $1.05, and the sub wave count is a 1 into a 2, looking to push up in a 3, and the smaller wave count 1, 2, 3. We just bounced off the wave 4 pullback zone. We bounced right off the 0.5, pretty close to the 0.5 at about 83 cents, 84 cents. You can see we bounced right off the point of control. A lot of volume in this area. So your wave 3 target here, your wave 5 target, we'll do a quick measurement. Take your trend-based fib extension here from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4. If this were to be the bottom of wave 4, your wave 5 target is usually the 0.618, so this could actually be moved down, which is at 89 cents as a minimum target. But we do have a wave 3 target, which is all the way up here. So you could potentially see an extended wave 5 that pushes all the way up to the 1.382, which is coming in at about 98 cents. But any break above the wave 3 high can complete the wave 5, but what you want to look for is a 5-wave move. So what you may be looking at is a potential wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and looking to push up in a wave 3. Micro counting can be inaccurate, so just keep that in mind. We do have a strong bearish divergence, so if we were to come down and break the 0.5 at 83 cents, it would invalidate that as a wave 4 pullback. So that's basically it for this Matic update. We are starting to break out, and it looks like we're about to print the bullish cross. So if we do hold the EMAs, there is potential for a large breakout if Bitcoin participates. If Bitcoin were to break down and fall, of course it will take the rest of the market down with it. But you can see Matic is moving against most of the coins in the market right now, so that does show some strength. Make sure to sign up to BitGet, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign up email and get free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you have early access to my analysis as well as my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my trades. And you can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.